Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be showing you how to unlock your phone. To unlock a Blackberry, the person that's going to be giving you, the company that's going to be giving you your unlocking code will most likely require the following information: your IMEI number and your MEP code. The IMEI number is simple to acquire, but it's the MEP code that's a little bit more complicated. The MEP code is hiding behind a screen that we need to type in a special password for your phone. The password is generated on the website for you. All you need to do is give it a little bit of information and it will make your password that you type in. So let's start and get straight into it. The first thing that we're going to do is enter the help screen. This screen is going to show us our IMEI number, and it's also going to have all the information that we need to type in to generate our password to get into the engineering screen, which is where the MEP code is hiding, a screen that we don't see until we've typed in the password in the help me screen. So the first thing that we're going to do to enter the help me screen, we're going to hold down Alt, Shift, and we're going to press the H key. So here goes. We hold down Alt, Shift and the H. And if I just move down now, you'll see that we've entered the help me screen. In the screen, the first piece of information you should take note of is your IMEI number. It's there and you'll need it later on to give to the company that you will be buying the code from. The next thing we're going to do now is copy some of this information that's on the screen onto the website. That will allow you to create the password to get to the screen that shows you the MEP code. So the information that we'll need to create your password will be the device PIN, we'll need the app version, and we'll need the uptime. Now, a few important notes here. When you're typing in the PIN number, the letters that you type in should be in lowercase and not uppercase. It will generate an incorrect code if you use uppercase. In the app version, there is also a space between the last digit here is 6 and the open bracket, and we must type that space in. If we don't, it will generate an incorrect code. The next thing that we will be typing into the website is the uptime. Now, the uptime is how long your phone has been on, and quite simply, if you move away from the screen, the uptime changes, and if it changes, the code that you've just made will be required to be remade again. So it's important that we no longer move away from the screen so that the uptime remains the same. So let's go over to the web page and type this information in. And this is what the online form looks like. A very simple form where we're basically typing in our device PIN, remembering to type in letters in lowercase, in this case the C, remembering to type in the app version the space between the brackets and the last set of numbers, and to type in the correct uptime that you have on your phone. The key duration is an option to say how long this hidden screen will remain viewable. In other words, in this scenario, we've chosen 1 day, but you can choose longer from the list. Below is our unlocking code to enter the engineer's screen. This is typed into the keyboard on the help me screen. Remembering that when typing in numbers, we must hold down the Alt key. So going back to the phone, we're now going to type in the code that we've generated. In this scenario, my code is 3 So I'm going to hold down the Alt and press 3. F. I let go of the Alt as I'm typing in a letter and I press F. Then we hold down the Alt because I'm about to type in a number, a 6, and another number, 3, keeping the Alt held down. We push a 3, and then keeping the Alt held down I have a 6, letting go of Alt to type in the letter B, F, and then holding down the Alt to type in the last digit, 1. Now again, this code will not work on anything else except my phone. And as soon as we type that code in, you'll notice that the Help Me screen changes into this engineering screen. To find the MEP code, we only but need to go into OS engineering screens, device info, and in this long list we just scroll down until we see a line starting with MEP, and we keep going down and there it is. That's the MEP code, MEP 06814-004. And that's part 1. You now hand over that information, the IMEI number and the MEP code, to the seller of your unlocking code, and you will be given back, hopefully, a correct unlocking code.